If we talk about what exactly is scalability, so a system is said to be scalable if it can handle increase the load by adding resources without unacceptable degradation in performance or correctness. So scalability of the system means if the system can handle increase the load by adding resources without unacceptable degradation in performance or correctness. So the system is scalable if it can handle the increasing load. So that is the meaning of scalability. So let us suppose in a system, if the load is increasing, and when I talk about load, increasing load, the meaning of increasing load is increasing the number of users, increasing the data, and increase in the request. So when I talk about scalability, three important components are there in this definition. The first component is the increasing load. So when the load on the system is increasing, and when I talk about increasing load, I am talking about increasing number of users, increasing data, and increasing number of requests. So that's the increasing load. So when the load increases by adding resources, now adding resources is the second very important component in this definition of scalability. And when I talk about adding resources, I'm talking about adding more compute, adding more memory, and adding more network bandwidth. So increasing load, adding more resources, if the system maintains acceptable performance. So this is the third component in the definition, that is maintaining the acceptable performance. And maintaining the acceptable performance means maintaining the speed, maintaining the reliability, and maintaining the correctness. So a system is said to be scalable if it can handle increase the load, that is the increase the users, increase the data, increase the user request by adding resources, by adding more compute power, more memory, more network bandwidth, and without unacceptable degradation in performance or correctness, or maintaining acceptable performance. So system can handle the increased load, maintaining the acceptable performance, like maintaining the speed, reliability, and correctness. So this is the scalability.